Well, since last time we talked, I had worked on the boots a little bit more. I had the left one kind of partially done, and I don't know if I told you I made this little piece here with some vinyl and some strap. And basically that goes over here, covers this part right here. And then what I did is I sewed some snaps on underneath so that it'll of course snap underneath. Let me show you here if I can get it to snap. Okay. There we go. Snaps underneath there. Now this is the right boot, but on the left boot, what I did here on this one here is I added a little accent right here, piece here, and there's a magnet underneath here on this piece so it clamps in there. And studying the action figure, I noticed that from here up is kind of left for interpretation, if you will, because it's a low cut boot on the action figure. So from here up is left to your own vision. So I basically emulated what was on the shins, so it'll blend right in. And I put a couple of snaps over here, and I took this here, and I built a little section, and then this first front piece, I built that. And then, like I say, on that boot on the action figure is only about half of this second portion right here where you can see. So it's only from about here forward, the actual piece. What I did is I did this one, and then I did the back piece, took a little 3/8, or excuse me, ½ inch, what is that, 3/4, excuse me, strapping, and put them together so that they would, they would be together, but yet they'd be a little flex in there. And then I put some snaps here on the side, on this side, and on this side. And then once you do that, you can basically snap this piece on here. Take it off at your leisure, of course. And then there you have it. You have basically it echoes the model. I mean, almost it's just almost straight on. Once I get the right boot, I just did the underneath part, so I'll do these two and then add this little accent piece up here. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and accent the top of these with some more that'll match the model. And then I'm going to take some foam and just accent it here. So, once I put it on, you just look and you just go, hey, great. And it works just fine. I don't know if you can see that, but it just rotates forward and comes back, rotates forward and comes back. Covers all that really, really well. And once I get those pieces here and here accented, I'll hit them with the heat gun, and then I will paint them plastic black and then seal them. Once I get all that done, I'll put these on. I'll put the front. I have the front shin guards basically done. I need to put a coat of varnish on those to seal those. I'll put those on, and then I'll take a crayon and mark the back of where the shins are, so I can do the back strap of the shin bones there, and then I'll just put some parachute straps on that, some magnets on it. And once I put those shins on there, just take that back strap with the magnets. So, but it's coming along really well. I wish I'd started like 2 months ago, but what are you going to do? So once I do get this done, it'll be, I'm hoping it would be a Comic-Con quality representation. But like I say, I'm going for 95% accuracy, so I'm in no hurry. So until next time, see ya.